Hello students, I am sure you all in the pink of health and I wish you have sparkling days ahead in this year. Then today we are going to learn 6th unit poem. The topic is The Comet, written by Norman Littleford. Okay, The Comet, written by the author name is Norman Littleford. Okay, it's from 6th unit. Clear? Then, what's the meaning of comet? A comet is a star, okay? It's a star with a glittering tail, okay? With a long glittering tail. That's a comet. It's an amazing sight in the sky. We get once in our, that too rare, okay? In our lifetime. That's what. So, let's quickly take a look at the author, okay? Flip the page number 166. Norman Littleford, born on 18th May 1889, okay, then passed away on 20th May, same month, okay, 20th May in the year of 1947, clear? He was an American poet born in Maryland. He was born in Maryland, USA, okay. Then, most of his works focused on life and nature. He was obsessed with nature. Okay, he loved nature a lot. So his poem also reflects the nature, and he focused on life or nature. Okay. Then his poems are simple but deep in thoughts. His poems are quite simple, but thoughts has depth. Okay. Then and provoke the readers to observe the idea beyond usual. Then provoke means stimulate or trigger. Okay, it makes his poems makes us to think a bit deep, profoundly. Okay, readers to observe the ideas beyond the usual, not in normal, beyond the usual. Okay, that is what his thoughts provoking poems. Clear? Let me read again. Norman Littleford, born on 18th May 1889, then passed away on 20th May 1947, was an American poet born in Maryland, USA. Most of his works focused on life and nature. His poems are simple but deep in thoughts and provoke the readers, provoke the readers to observe the ideas beyond the usual. It makes us think profoundly and understand his ideas. Clear? Then take a look at the glossary part below. Rampaging means going through an area making a lot of noise and causing damage. Here it's talk about the star, okay, comet. This comet, it moves very fast, okay. It's very, see which is the fastest animal on land? Cheetah, right? So it compare with this cheetah. It moves faster than cheetah. Okay, it's rushing very fast. Rampaging, going through an area, making a lot of noise and causing damage. Then it is powerful. This comet, it's so powerful. It has the power to quake, vibrate the earth surface. Okay, even the air can feel the vibration. Okay, quack. That's what rampaging. Then spectacle. Spectacle, it's an amazing sight. Seeing comet is a rare and amazing sight, right? We could see once in a blue moon, like. Then an unusual or unexpected event or situation that attracts attention and interest. That is a spectacle. It's an unusual sight, okay. Then unexpected one. When we stare at the sky, we cannot expect that it appears within a fraction of seconds, right? Then comet. Comet, is an icy small solar body. This comet covered with ice. Okay. which means passing close to the sun, warm might begin to release gases that seen on rare occasions from the earth as a bright line in the sky. This comet, you could see the picture in the page, okay, in the poems 165. See, it's moves very fast. Actually, the surface is covered with dust and ice. So when it comes close to the sun, this ice, it starts to melt. Okay, it begins to melt. Then immediately this boiling water evaporates. Okay, vaporize. Then left behind it as tail. This dust and ice. So that's what we could see. It's a long tail. It's miles and miles long. Okay, that much long it is. So that particle. Okay, that's what comet says here. An icy small solar body which, when passing through to the sun, bombs and begin to release gases that are seen in a rare occasion from the earth as a bright line in the sky. Clear? Then trail. Trail, that tail it left behind tail, that dust chemical parts. That gives way, okay, path. When we look at that jet, I hope you might have seen the jet. When it is moves, we could see that tail, right? Its path. Okay, so trail, a path often made or used for particular purpose. When it moves, we could see that. Then quake, vibration. Okay, earthquake, like a sudden violent movement of the earth's surface, sometimes causing great damage short from the earthquake. Yes, it has power to cause the earth surface. Okay, earthquake also can form. That much powerful, this comet. Clear? So learn these meanings. Okay, it's a memory poem. First 3 stanzas you need to memorize. Okay, it's a simple poem only. Shall we get specific? See, The Comet, written by Norman Littleford. Okay, then rampaging through the heavens, never stopping day or night, a spectacle of a lifetime, a comet in full flight. This comet, when it starts move, when it appears, it moves very fast, full flight. Okay, it moves very fast, and it's a rare sight. We cannot see, we cannot find this as stars. Okay, day and night it moves, but it's a rare sight for us. Okay, lifetime we may see once in our lifetime. Lifetime spectacle is a attention. Okay, uneven, unusual attraction, attention. Never stopping day or night, day and night. Daytime we cannot see that, night also is where. Okay, day and night it never stops, it is still moving on. Okay, passes. Rampaging through the heavens, heaven meaning sky. Okay, rampaging, rushing round the sky. Okay, that's space. Clear? Its axis it moves very fast. Okay, when get close to this sun, it melt, this icy part melt, and the dust particle, everything left it a tail. Okay, it goes behind the as tail. Clear? Rampaging through the heavens, never stopping day or night, a spectacle of a lifetime, a comet in full flight. Okay, then next stanza. See, in this first stanza, rhyming words are night and flight. Rhyme scheme is A, B, C, B. Okay, then faster than a cheetah with a tail that's miles long. See, already I told you, right? It's fast, it's compared with the animal cheetah, so it's fast. This comet, it's faster than this cheetah, with a tail that's miles long. In its tail, that dust particle, this ice vapor, right, it releases gases. This, it's miles and miles long. Okay, bigger than a mountain. This comet, when we look at from here, the stars, and we could see it's tiny, okay, just sparkle, but it's very big, it's huge, it's big, than the mountain. That's what it says. It's bigger than a mountain, so powerful and strong. This comet, it's so powerful. That's why when it close to the earth starts, its surface starts to vibrate, even the air too. Clear? So it's powerful, strong, and bigger than the mountain, and faster than the cheetah. Clear? Then the outer ice is melting, causing vapor from the force. I told you, when it moves close to the sun, its outer parts start to melt, okay, out of this force, the heat of the sun. Then it leaves the trail behind it, that vapor, okay, ice melt, and behind this, as it travels on its course. Travel on the course here means path, okay. Where it moves, there in that path, it leaves behind this dust particle, okay, this gas, this ice melt, right? That's what. If if one should come close to the earth, the atmosphere will shake. Here atmosphere means air. When this comet come close to earth, even the air, atmosphere shake, okay, start to tremble, vibrant, with shock wave. Shock wave meaning it's a waves of vibration, okay, vibration reaching to the ground, causing the land to quake. Even it has the power to form earthquake, okay. The land, earth surface can feel the vibration. Clear? It has the power to make it, okay. That's what. If one should come too close, here one here refers to this comet, okay. Close to earth, the atmosphere will shake with shock wave reaching to the ground, causing land to quake, tremble, vibration, okay. Then scientists say chemicals in the dust they leave behind could have started life on earth, which resulted in mankind. The scientists, they are saying they have disclosed a fact. What was, here in this stanza, the scientists disclosed the fact about this comet, which what they disclose us in this chemical parts. It leaves, that tail. In that chemical, in that dust part only, this living beings formed. Initial stage at first, okay. Scientists say the chemicals in the dust they have leave behind the tail, okay. Could have started life on earth. At first, the life on earth started from this chemicals, okay, in this dust. Then which resulted in later, it leads to mankind. Later mankind exists. Okay, come to exist. That's what the scientists have disclosed a fact about comet. The dust left behind this comet contains chemicals. Okay, life on earth might have originated. They believe that life on earth might have originated in this chemicals, in this tail, okay, dust particle. Then later mankind came to exist, human, okay. Then at last this author says, Norman Littleford, I cannot say if this is true. I don't have the right. He's saying, I don't know whether it's true or not. Okay, I don't have rights even. I cannot say it correctly. Okay, so I cannot say if this is true. I do not have the right. But one thing is sure, one thing I can say, okay, but I know no better spectacle than a comet in full flight. There is no better, see, it's a rare, wonderful sight, okay. So this sight is wonderful, okay, it's a rare one. That's I am sure, like that this author says, okay. But I know no better spectacle, no better sight, attention, okay, than the comet in full flight. Seeing the comet, it's a rare sight in our lifetime, okay. That's he says sure. But about the origin of this living things, I am told he is not sure about this, okay. But they believe so. It's originated in this dust particle, like. Clear? See, in the second stanza rhyme scheme is what is A, B, C, B. Okay, like this only it moves all the stanza. Second stanza, what are the rhyming words? Cheetah, long, mountain, strong. Long and strong. Okay, so similarly you find the next stanzas. Okay, let me read the whole poem. Once again, here first three stanzas you need to memorize. Okay, please learn that and write it 2-3 times. Then you have to write the summary of this poem. This is what your assignment. In your own words, so please write it. Then only you have to improve your own writing skill. Okay, so for that please put the heading and author name and write the summary what you understood. Clear? Then, rampaging through the heavens, never stopping day or night, a spectacle of lifetime, a comet in full flight. Faster than a cheetah with a tail that's miles long, bigger than a mountain. So powerful and strong. This comet is so powerful and strong. Then the outer ice is melting, causing vapor from the force, and leaves the tail behind it as it travels on its course. If one should come too close to earth, the atmosphere will shake with shock wave vibration, okay, reaching to the ground, causing the land to quake, okay, shiver, earthquake. It has the power. Scientists say the chemicals in the dust they leave behind, the tail, dust particle, in that could have started life on earth, might have originated life on this dust, which resulted in mankind. Later, mankind come to exist. Clear? I cannot say if this is true. I do not have the right. But I know no better spectacle than a comet in full flight. Clear? So read this and learn this memory poem. Then learn the spelling also. Okay. Punctuation, everything you have to focus on. Clear? That's it. Please learn that. Read it 2-3 times. You should have the habit of reading and to do the book back exercises also. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.